Hey y'all, welcome to your first week of virtual learning. I hope you guys are staying safe. I know this is new for a lot of us, but I know we're going to get through it together. So I just wanted to give a little recap and share some info on how this week is going to go. I know you guys are getting a bunch of information, so I'll try to do my best to keep it short and to the point. So as you guys read in the letter that Ms.Fernandez sent, ELA will be scheduled every Monday and Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. And I'll talk a little bit about what that means in just a second. Assignments for me will be posted every Sunday night, and they are not meant for it to take up the whole hour. It should really be a lot quicker, but the reason we have the hour is because we understand that working at home is really different than working at school, and we want to give you some buffer time to make sure you're able to complete those assignments. I'm really focusing on how we can build your awareness on things that are going on in the world and really just expand your thinking beyond literacy. So the assignments will be shorter, but the quality will also be stronger. You can complete your assignment at any point during the week as long as you turn it in by Sunday. However, the ELA time scheduled, which is again Monday and Wednesday from 9 a.m. to 10:30 a.m., is when I will be 100% online to answer any of your questions, whether it's through the Google Classroom stream or Google Chat or giving me a phone call or me giving you a phone call. That will essentially be like our one-on-one time to get any of those questions out of the way. You can always post questions outside of that time, but I can't guarantee that I'll respond immediately if that's the case. This week, we're just getting set up. As you can see, your assignments for this week will just revolve around sort of previewing the week, getting started on setting up a few accounts that I made for you all, reading our class rules and expectations, having you sign a contract, and watching a short YouTube video. If you go on Google Classroom, you'll notice I made a new tab, a new topic called virtual learning. That's going to be where any information in the coming weeks, any assignments will be stored. And as always, if you have any questions, just reach out to me via Google Classroom or my SAISD email. I'm super excited for this. I know it's crazy. I know it's hectic. I know we have a lot of questions, but that's why we're going through this together. Love you guys.